Hey friends, we're here to do the first stuffing of Hey Boo. This is my next Mini Madness binder, and yes, I'm loving this for October. It's Halloween-y, and yes, it's on theme. Sorry about the glare. I'm not using a light, but it is daytime, so yeah, I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna do this, and let me first show you the money. All right, so we're doing 50 bucks today into Mini Madness. So this is from my Etsy stuffing, or my Etsy payout, I should say. I did show you this already in my last video, but it was $469 for the last 2 weeks. And we're gonna do a couple things. I already put money into the Christmas binder, a little bit into the 1K, and I forgot to do taxes in that video, so we're gonna do that now also, just so that it's taken care of. And then, like I said, $50 here into Mini Madness. So let's pull out 60 first and stuff that into taxes, because nobody likes taxes, but they gotta be paid, right? All right, so let's come over here and add 60 bucks. Let me know how your weekend was. I mean, today is Monday, so it was just the weekend, but you're probably not going to see this until Wednesday. So I hope you're having a great week. Okay, $60 going in. And let's go ahead and add this money in and see what we have. So we have 50, 1, 20, 40, 50, 65, 6, 7, 8. 168, so that is good. I could color one of these, and I don't have a marker, so I'm not going to right now. I mean, I do have a marker, it's just over there, so I'm not gonna grab it. By the way, if you like this, this is just a freebie available in my Etsy shop. No, it's not in my Etsy shop. It's in my links below. I have a link to my freebies. The amount is blank. You could set your own amount for these little poop symbols. Mine are $100 each because I'm paying $800 per quarter for my quarterly taxes. So again, I have 168 in here. One of these should be colored, but maybe next time. And I know I said that last time too, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, let's put this away. And I do have to get out $50, so let me go ahead and do that, and I'll BRB. All right, I think I'm all set up. So let's go ahead and count this up just to make sure it's 50. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Perfect. So $50, and then I also have $50 here because again, I put the condensed version into my envelope. I just like to pull the smaller bills as I'm playing. I have my dice tower here. This is linked below in my Amazon storefront. I have my dice, I have my scratcher, I have a dry erase if I need it, and I think we're good to go. So this binder is available in my Etsy shop. My Etsy shop is linked below, and it is, ooh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't number these. Okay, I'm gonna do that real quick because it's just much easier on me, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and got those numbered. I just had these little circle stickers just from some Happy Planner stickers. So that's what I use. There are 13 challenges in here. So I was thinking, okay, well, what kind of die are we going to use? This dice tower actually came with these dice, which are really pretty. They're like red and black and shimmery. So we're going to use a 20-sided, and because there are only 13 challenges in here, if I roll anything higher than a 13, I'm just going to choose a challenge, and that's how we're going to do it. Now, this binder, like I said, is available in my Etsy shop. It does not come with an envelope, okay? It's sort of in between an A5 and an A6 size. It's on the larger size side, like it's larger than an A6, but smaller than an A5. So I have an A5 envelope hooked to it. These rings open so you can add envelopes or whatever. I just had this envelope laying around. This was actually made for me by Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets, and I love it. I've been using it a lot. So thank you, Ren. So yeah, just know this does not come with an envelope, and if you're really bummed about that, I'm sorry. But because this does not come with an envelope, you get a few extra challenges. The other Mini Madness binders do have envelopes, but they only have, I want to say 9 or 10 challenges. And like I said, this one has 13. So yeah. All right, let's get going now. This is an oopsie. So obviously if you order this, yours will not come like this, but I want it to use this page because it's perfectly usable. It's just a little printing error. Okay. All right, let's go. So let's roll and see what we get. Okay, number 12. And it's funny, this is a Halloween binder and we have 13 challenges. Lucky number 13. All right, number 12 is this cute little sort of traditional candy little scratch off. And as with all my Mini Madness binders, the highest number is 6, but there is 110 in here. Again, I showed a flip through of this full binder in my last Etsy drop, which was last week. So if you want to see, I mean, you'll probably see most, if not all of the binder today as I'm doing this, but if you just want to see a full flip through, go ahead and check out that video. Okay, so we're starting it off with $4, and let's go again. Number 8. So I hope you all are having a good week. As I said, like I said in my last video, we went to the fair over the weekend and it was a lot of fun. The fair is officially over now and I just can't believe it's done for another year. It's gonna be Halloween. It's gonna be getting into the holidays. It's just crazy. $4. How is it coming with the house? Lucky number 13. As I keep saying, the house, we're just chugging along. If I can get some footage or pictures of the basement, I will. I don't know if I'll get to the house before I edit this video to get some updated pictures. All right, this is kind of a little bit of a silly scratch off. So you have your little tombstones and they have some funny names. So let's go with Pearl E. Gates. And let's see what we get. Okay, a 2. So like I said, if I can get to the house before I edit this and get some updated pictures for you, I will. But the walls are all studded in. Almost all of the sheetrock is done. We do still need to put sheetrock on the ceiling in the basement. Number 18. Okay, so I get to choose, and I'm going to go here because this is the one with the most scratch-offs. So for this one, you have blood bags under here, and each blood bag has a blood type. So if you get type A, it's $1, type B, $2, AB is $3, and type O is $4. So let's see what we get. So we need to put the sheetrock up. The sheetrock walls in my office are all spackled, so as soon as we get the ceiling up, we can paint the ceiling and then paint the walls and then put the flooring in. So yeah, we're just moving along. All right, we got type O, which is $4, and we've had a lot of 4s already, so that's kind of weird. So yeah, it's coming. I was hoping to be in before our Halloween party, which is October 19th, but I don't know. At this rate, who knows? Okay, so this is just a traditional like cross off or color in. So let's take care of this 6 because that's the biggest number. And I'm just going to go ahead and just put a big old dot on it because why not? And we love saving, right? So $2, $4, and $6. Let me know, number 12, let me know, do you celebrate Halloween? If you do, what do? Do you have young kids? Do you like to go trick-or-treating? Do you like to dress up? As an adult, I love to dress up, but I don't really anymore because I don't, like, yeah, I could dress up to go trick-or-treating, but I don't. I try to wear like a Halloween shirt if I can, but that's about it. I don't know. I just love dressing in costumes. I love to dress as something like bloody and gory. and do like scary makeup if I can. All right, $5, 2, 4, 5. Years ago, my favorite costume, number 1. Okay, I dressed as like a masquerade, like a person going to a masquerade ball, but I made a mask that looked like part of my face was ripped off. That sounds disgusting, but it looked so realistic. And so it was like basically the part above your eyes. If I can find a picture, I will insert it. I don't know if I'll be able to. So it was like the part above your eyes, and I made it, again, so long ago, I don't exactly remember how I made it, but then you put it on like a stick, like a masquerade mask, like you hold it in front of your face, and then underneath that, like on your face, you just put a lot of blood and gore and whatever to make it look like your face was ripped off. And that is my favorite costume of all that I've ever had. Because yeah, I like to be something spooky and bloody. So this is $5. So let me know if you're going to dress up. What are you going to be? Are your kids going to dress up? If you have kids, what are they going to be? I think I said this before, but Rowan is going to be a vampire and Ivy wants to be a fish. So I just ordered their costumes on Amazon. And the fish costume is literally just a little tutu and a headband with a fish. So it's nothing crazy, but it's what she wants. So I'm good with it. All right, $5. This is a roll and save. So let's put a 5 on here. 2, 4, and 5. And what else, you guys? Challenge number 10. Okay, so for this one, again, this is a little like color in or cross off. And let's do one of these 5s because we have the money, so why not? And I'm going to color them all in. These are little tarot cards. So this one is called the Strength. And yes. All right, so 2, 4, and $5 going in. We are getting down there a little bit. If you have ideas for like Halloween themed snacks I could do for my Halloween party, let me know. I want to do fun things like make the appetizers kind of look spooky, like not necessarily spooky, but Halloween themed. All right, let's do this other 5. Because I don't know, I think that just adds to the fun. So 2, 4, and 5. So if you've ever done that, let me know. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 left. Let's see what challenge we get and see if we're gonna go for it or if we're gonna kind of cheat. But yeah, give me ideas if you have any. Okay, 16, which means I get to choose. And we have $5, so I feel like I want to, well, I could just write it in a grave. I feel like I want to just color this 5 because that gets rid of the 2 5s on this page, and then we already got some big numbers out of the way. And I don't have to color in these whole ghosts, but I want to. So that is our first stuffing of Mini Madness, and I had fun. Did you? I hope so. All right, let's put all this aside. Let's grab the 50, and there's nothing to count because, again, this is our first stuffing, so we're just going to pop $50 into the envelope here. And boom, we are finished. Thank you so much for sticking with me, for watching the first stuffing of Mini Madness. Let's see how fast we can get this done. Let's see what this saves. My other binders that I did were a little over 200 for both of them. Let's see if this gets us over 200. I feel like it might because 1, there's a 10 in here, and 2, there are more challenges in here than the other books. So we're going to see what this, you know, again, how long this takes and what this adds up to. And once again, this is going to go towards my $1,000 challenge and get me that much closer to finishing it. So super excited about that. Okay, that is it, my friends. Thank you once again for watching. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.